The minute you come in, he starts to... See, he's spitting already because he knows you're going to brush your teeth. Oh, you're yawning. Have you had a busy day? And he keeps saying, sorry, because he knows that's what you say. Cruz, stop it. Enough farts for the day. Why are you yawning? You're just chilling.
Alright.
Stop spitting.
Sorry?
Oh, here we go with the spitting. Look, he's nearly wet himself with excitement. He's going mad because you're having a wee. If you could see what he did when you had a wee. His whole blanket started shaking when you was having a wee with excitement.